Hello, so I just want to show you how to make this quick dust impact when you land on the floor in the platformer. So let's make that. First you want to create a new scene, and it's going to be an animated sprite. Then you want to create new sprite frames, and I'm going to use this dust animation that I've made, and I'll put the link in the description, so if you want to use the same one. Then go to texture and make this nearest so it's not blurry. I'm going to set auto frame to true. I'm going to disable the loop. I'm also going to set this to 12 FPS to make it a bit faster. Now whenever this is played, we want to destroy it because we're going to instance this anytime the player hits the ground. So create a new script, call it dust, and get rid of this, and we'll click this, go to node on animation finish, and connect it to our script and write Q3, which will delete the dust particle. Save the scene. And now in our player scene, we are going to create a new marker 2D. And this is where the dust will spawn. So I'm just going to bring it down here. Just for reference, I'm going to attach this here and make sure the marker 2D is at the right spot. Then we can delete that. Go ahead and open up your player script and we'll create a new variable. We're going to call it isGrounded, and we're going to set it to true. Then we're going to set isGrounded is on floor in the physics process. Is on floor just checks if the character is on the floor or not, and we're going to be setting this to that. Now the reason we're doing this is because we want to be able to detect when the player first hits the floor. Add this if statement, if isGrounded is false and is on floor true, then we're going to show the dust. This works because the physics process function runs every frame. So when the player touches the floor, isGrounded is equal to false, but is on floor is equal to true. Then we check that, then after it's set to true. So then this won't run repeatedly. Create a new variable called dust. I'm going to preload the dust scene. Then simply add this code. So we're creating a new instance of the dust scene. We're taking the global position of the dust and making it our marker 2D. Then we're going to add it to the world scene. Now as you can see, when we jump it and hit the floor, it plays the dust. However, it looks a bit jarring and it just disappears. So to fix this, in our dust scene, we want to add an animation player and create a new animation called start. Then all I'm going to do is select the sprite here, and it'll automatically bring this up, but just close that, bring up the animation player. Then I keyed the modulate alpha at the beginning to kind of transparent. Then after 0.3 seconds, I just made it fully vanish. So it's a smooth fade. So now you can see that it fades out like that, and we have a little dust particle there. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.